Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pasta dough with Kitchenaid. Making fresh pasta at home is a rewarding experience, and your Kitchenaid stand mixer makes it incredibly easy. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 3½ cups of all-purpose flour, a ½ teaspoon of salt, 4 large eggs, and 2 tablespoons of water. Place the flour and salt into your mixer bowl, then add the eggs and water. We're ready to start mixing. Now let's get mixing. Attach the flat beater to your Kitchenaid stand mixer. Turn the mixer to speed 2 and let it run for about 30 to 60 seconds. You'll see the ingredients come together, forming a crumbly dough. If the mixture seems too dry and isn't coming together, add water in small increments, about 1/2 tablespoon at a time, until it reaches a shaggy consistency. Don't overdo it, we want a firm dough. Once your dough is shaggy, it's time for kneading. Remove the flat beater and attach the dough hook to your Kitchenaid mixer. Turn the mixer back to speed 2 and let the dough hook work its magic for about 2 to 3 minutes. The dough will come together into a smooth ball and should start to make a smacking sound against the bowl. It should feel firm and slightly tacky, but not sticky. This hands-off kneading saves you a lot of effort. After kneading, remove the dough from the bowl and form it into a smooth ball. Wrap it tightly in plastic wrap and let it rest on your counter for 20 to 30 minutes. This resting period is crucial as it allows the gluten to relax, making the dough much easier to roll. Once rested, divide your dough into 4 equal pieces, flatten each slightly, and you're ready to use your Kitchenaid pasta roller attachment to create beautiful, fresh pasta sheets.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.